The kitchen is the heart of the home, even during Halloween. In 2026, homeowners are turning ordinary kitchens into spooky yet stylish spaces that make every meal, snack, and gathering feel part of the Halloween celebration.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is Halloween kitchen decor popular on Pinterest? Kitchens combine design, entertaining, and seasonal decorating, making them highly visual and inspiring spaces. People enjoy seeing creative ways to incorporate Halloween into everyday environments, which is why kitchen makeovers continue gaining attention online. Love Pinterest-inspired decor? Like this, if creative kitchens inspire you. Why is the kitchen perfect for Halloween decorating? The kitchen naturally brings people together. It's where families gather, snacks are prepared, and conversations happen. Adding seasonal decor helps turn these everyday moments into part of the Halloween celebration, making the space feel more festive and welcoming. Love gathering in the kitchen? Like this, if the kitchen is the heart of the home. Why is color important in Halloween kitchen design? Color helps establish the mood of a room. Seasonal palettes create visual connections to Halloween, while helping decorations feel cohesive. In 2026, homeowners are paying closer attention to how colors influence the overall atmosphere. Love Halloween color palettes? Like this, if seasonal colors set the mood. Why are spooky yet elegant designs trending? Many homeowners want Halloween decor that complements their existing interiors. Instead of overly playful decorations, they're embracing designs that feel stylish, sophisticated, and seasonal. This trend continues growing because it blends Halloween fun with modern home aesthetics. Love elegant Halloween decor? Like this, if spooky can also be stylish. Why are seasonal kitchens becoming more popular? People increasingly enjoy refreshing their homes throughout the year. Seasonal decorating allows homeowners to celebrate changing holidays and create new experiences without major renovations. Halloween offers one of the most exciting opportunities for transformation. Love seasonal decorating? Like this, if every season deserves its own style. Why are Halloween kitchen decorations trending in 2026? For years, most Halloween decorating focused on porches, living rooms, and front yards. Now, homeowners are extending seasonal themes into every part of the house. Since the kitchen is one of the most frequently used spaces, it naturally becomes an important area for creating a complete Halloween experience. Love decorating every room. Like this, if Halloween belongs in the kitchen too. Why are cozy Halloween kitchens trending? People are gravitating towards spaces that feel warm and inviting. Halloween doesn't always have to be scary. Many homeowners are embracing cozy seasonal designs that make the kitchen feel comfortable, while still celebrating the holiday. Love cozy Halloween vibes? Like this, if comfort wins every time. What makes a Halloween kitchen truly unforgettable? An unforgettable Halloween kitchen goes beyond decorations. It creates an atmosphere that makes people smile, encourages gatherings, and turns ordinary moments into seasonal memories. When the space feels welcoming and festive, it becomes part of what makes Halloween special. Ready to transform your kitchen? Like this, if spooky kitchen decor feels unforgettable. What defines a modern Halloween kitchen? Modern Halloween kitchens focus on atmosphere rather than clutter. Instead of filling every surface with decorations, homeowners are creating cohesive seasonal spaces that feel festive while still remaining functional. The result is a balance between everyday living and Halloween excitement. Love stylish seasonal decor? Like this, if modern Halloween design wins. What decorating mistakes should be avoided? One common mistake is sacrificing functionality for decoration. Kitchens are highly active spaces, so decor should enhance the environment without interfering with daily tasks. The strongest designs balance beauty with practicality. Love practical decorating? Like this, if style and function should work together. How does seasonal decor affect family traditions? Decorations help create memories. When kitchens feel festive, everyday moments like baking, cooking, and gathering become part of the seasonal experience. These traditions often become some of the most cherished memories associated with Halloween. Love? Family traditions? Like this, if decorating makes memories stronger. How can small kitchens still feel festive? A smaller kitchen can often create a stronger visual impact because decorative details are more noticeable. Thoughtful styling can make even compact spaces feel festive and inviting without requiring large amounts of decor. Working with a small kitchen? Like this, if creativity beats size every time. How can kitchen decor feel festive without becoming overwhelming? The most successful Halloween kitchens focus on creating atmosphere rather than filling every available space. Thoughtful decorating allows seasonal elements to stand out while keeping the room functional and comfortable for everyday use. Love balanced decorating? Like this, if less can sometimes be more. How can Halloween decor enhance entertaining? A decorated kitchen instantly makes gatherings feel more festive. Guests notice the effort and creativity, which helps create a memorable experience. Seasonal decor contributes to the atmosphere that makes celebrations feel special. Love entertaining during Halloween? Like this, if festive kitchens impress guests. How can DIY projects improve Halloween kitchen decor? DIY projects allow homeowners to personalize their decorating while adding unique character to the space. Handmade decorations often feel more meaningful because they reflect creativity and help make the kitchen feel one of a kind. Love DIY decorating? Like this, if handmade details make a difference. How can Halloween decor change the mood of a kitchen? Decor influences how a space feels. Seasonal touches can transform an ordinary kitchen into an environment filled with excitement, warmth, and creativity. Even subtle Halloween details can make daily routines feel more enjoyable during the season. Love seasonal atmosphere? Like this, if decor changes everything. Halloween kitchen decoration ideas in 2026 are all about creating atmosphere, celebrating the season, and bringing Halloween fun into one of the most important rooms in the home. With thoughtful styling and creative touches, any kitchen can become part of the Halloween experience. If you're decorating for Halloween this year, don't forget the kitchen and come back for more 2026 decorating inspiration.